Evelyn, that is your video. Are you all doing? Don't wait for answers. Ashwin, Rijas, on the video. Rijas, Krishnachandran. Everyone have to do it. No escape. So this is a part of a 3-mark question, okay? 3-mark question. This set of problems can come. It will come in your exam. Study nicely.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you show the question?
Who's that?
Yeah.
Who's that?
Michael.
Michael. You are there, Michael, or you went to sleep? Yes. Find the acceleration between 3 and 4 seconds. Second, total distance covered. Atul, I think you must have completed, correct? Atul?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, I will allot the sharing for you. So, you just share whatever you have written on the board. Clear? I'll just allot it. Michael, can I change it? Michael?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Because I wanted to just change the security. Have you all completed? Still you need time? Okay. Adul can share the paper. I already has on it. Just raise your book and then share it. Just like your ornament, you have shared this thing, no? Invitation card, like that. I have allotted for you sharing screen.
Ma'am, how will I share my book, ma'am? Should I just hold it up?
Hold it up. Bring closer to your mobile, which a laptop or camera. Okay. Share. How did you do that? Invitation card and all. How did you share that?
That we'll already have on the computer, ma'am. How will we share something that's on paper?
Okay, okay. Let me see. You just rise it up. I'll just. Otherwise, how we do that? Okay. Others? Can you zoom it and see? Did you get that answer? First one. Between 3 and 4 seconds. Is it negative acceleration? Yeah. I can see you. How? Can you see?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, some can see, some cannot see. Oh, that's it. How much answer, Gauri, you got it?
If we pin the video, we can see, ma'am.
What's the answer you got it?
Question.
First one, acceleration between 3 and 4 seconds.
Yes, minus 10 meter.
Correct. Minus 10 meter per second. Did you got? Atul also got the same thing. Anyhow, anyone has a doubt regarding that? Minus 10 meter per second square. Anyone wanted me explain? Or I ask Atul or Gauri to explain for you. Say yes or no. Yes, you can be. Some of you are very good teachers. We saw in the teachers, their program. Very well, you all did. You want to understand everyone. Yeah, there are very good teachers are there among you all. Shall I? Do you want explanation, yes or no?
No,
Ashwin? Okay. Punya, what was the answer you got it? Total distance covered.
25 meters.
25 meters. What about others? Did you get that? Total distance. Atul, what was the answer you got it? Just show that.
25 itself.
25 meters. Just show that. Anyone has still doubt? Little down. Yes. Displacement, half BH. Okay. Just shift your book little left side. Okay. Half into 10 into 2. First one. Okay. Yeah. Move it little further this side. One side. No, the opposite side. Little more opposite side. Yes. 25 meters, half into 10 into 2 plus length into breadth. 10 into 2, again, half into 2 into 10. Correct? Okay, 10 plus 5. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Abdul. Keep it down, keep it down. So I hope you have all understood this. Clear? So shall we go to the next session? So I will sending you the questions. Questions more than, I meant to say, more questions for practicing. So you practice at home because we cannot do all the problems in the class. Okay. And I will be sending some solved problems. Only those problems you study for the exam. So +1, no, I am not going to do all the problems. I don't make you to study. So some problems, whatever I sent, that only you study for your exam. Okay. Numbers will be different, but the pattern will be the same. Okay. So we are moving on to the last session of this chapter. That's 5-mark question. Already you have studied that in your 9th standard. But 9th standard, I don't know how many have studied that derivations. So I remember teaching some of the students that. But still now you have to study because it is an important portion. Kinematic equations or equations of motions. So kinematic equations or equations of motion. There are mainly 3 motions and three equations of motion. And we have got, someone is drawing with the pen. Don't do that. Who is drawing with the yellow? Delete it. See, you can do so many things on the board. I know it. But still, don't do. So all of you write the equation, heading kinematic equations of accelerated motion. Write down. Kinematic equations of accelerated motion. So it's a 5-mark question. Study for your test. So we have mainly 3 equations of motion, and each equation of motion is known as different name. So first we will study the situation of that accelerated motion. You will understand that first, then we go to the derivations. Yes. Okay, I think you can see the board. So we are considering a graph here. Consider an object is moving with the initial velocity u and get accelerated with the velocity v in time of t seconds. So first when you write this derivation, please give this introductory note. Okay, that is, consider an object moving with the initial velocity u. It is there in your notes. Okay, u and get accelerated with the velocity v in time t second. Yeah. Then already we have learned from acceleration equation, that is a is equal to v minus u divided by t. From the same equation, that is a is equal to v minus u by t, if you cross multiply at, you will get at is equal to v minus u. So this you can write it as in a right margin. Okay, how we are getting that equation. And then take u this side and you are getting first equation of motion, that is v is equal to u plus at. And that equation is known as velocity time relation. So that equation is known as velocity time relation. So from the first equation, a is equal to v minus u by t, cross multiply at, then v is equal to, take minus u this side and just make it in a right side and left side, you get final velocity time equation v is equal to u plus at. So this you have to by heart for the problems. We have problems using this. So first relation or first equation of motion is known as velocity time relation or velocity time equation. I can ask you objective type question, which is right velocity time relation. If I give you a question like that, you have to give me this equation. Okay? So that's a one part of objective type question under this. Now, second type of equation of motion is position time relation. Before that, we have to understand the graph. So we have a graph here, just like little bit. When you make it big, this is becoming little bit some way other. So here the motion of an object is starting with the point A. Okay, motion of an object not starting with the 0. Already it has traveled A, but we are considering the motion. The body started from 0 and reached to a position A, and from there it is uniformly accelerating. Okay, therefore initial velocity here is u. At A, initial velocity is u. Instead of giving you a 10 meter per second or 20 meter per second, we are using the letter only. So initial velocity is u, so 0 to here. And then final velocity here. That is, you can see the graph is a uniformly accelerated ending at position B. And the velocity, final velocity of the object is v. Okay, then what is this distance is now? What is this distance is now? If up to this u, up to here v, so what is this distance between, I mean velocity between v and u? What is that, Nandana? Here u, final velocity v. So what is the difference between u and v?
V minus U.
V minus u. So this portion is known as v minus u. Okay? Yeah? So here also we have given a letter C. A, B, C. So we are getting a triangle ABC. And here the 0 origin we have given letter O, and here we have given letter D. And this partition. So here also we are getting a partition. So you know it is a trapezium. It's a trapezium. But trapezium can be divided into two. That is, half is triangle and half is rectangle. So to find out position time relation, we are considering this trapezium as part of or combination of one rectangle, that is rectangle OACD, rectangle OACD, and triangle ABC. So to prove second position time relation or second equation of motion, we are considering a trapezium OABD into 2. That is, it's a combination of triangle ABC and the triangle of rectangle of OACD. Clear? That is the condition we are taking. Now, let us go to the next. I think you clear about this graph. This is all about. Here it is 0. Here velocity is u. And here final velocity is v. Therefore, BC is equal to v minus u. Okay. Now we are coming to the position time relation. Position time relation, we can find out total displacement is equal to, next step, total displacement is equal to area between instance means 0 and t. Where is 0 and t? So this is the time. From here to up to here is t. So this is 0 second up to here. So this is up to here, it is t. So that is why between 0 and t. So area between time, instant means time 0 and t. Trapezium we are divided into 2. That is area of a triangle ABC plus area of a rectangle OACD. So let us give the value of this displacement as x. Therefore, x is equal to area of a triangle. Area of a triangle, half BH. Here, instead of B, what we are having in the diagram, this is the one. Half BH, one is T. Base is T. Okay? And height. Height is only this. What is height? Already it is B minus U. Already told you. So we are only considering this triangle. Up to here, it is base is T and the height. Height is V minus U. So we are substituting that. So when you substitute half BH, you are getting, so those who wanted, you can write half BH plus length into breadth. That is the formula turn into here. Half into V minus U into T plus length into breadth. Look at length into breadth means of rectangle OACD. Breadth is T as usual. Up to here, what is the value? U. So instead of saying 10 or 20, we are having 0 to U here. So this part is U. So that is why our equation is changed into plus UT. Half into V minus U into T plus UT. Okay. So we are getting equation x is equal to half V minus UT plus UT. Now we want to make it this little more further a standard equation. So for that we are considering the first equation. In first equation you remember V minus U is equal to A is equal to V minus U by T, or A is equal to V minus U is equal to AT. Okay. So what we are going to do? Instead of this V minus U, we are going to substitute AT here. So once you substitute, what is our equation is going to be? Because this equation is not clear to you, that's why I am writing on the top of it. So instead of this V minus U, from the first equation, you know V minus U is equal to AT. So we are going to substitute here AT. Already there is one more T is here. Already there is T. So that is why it is becoming half AT square plus UT like that. So this is our standard second relation, position time relation. So what is the position time relation? You should give me the answer. X is equal to half AT squared plus UT. If you wanted to make it little more organized, keep the UT this side. Then it is easy for us to say, like a quadratic equation, easy for us to say x is equal to UT plus half AT square. Okay. Anyone have any doubt? Do you want me to explain once again?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. I go back again. I think first equation everyone is clear to you. You don't want to see. Okay. Second equation you will get it if you understand the diagram. Okay. So from the diagram only you are getting all these values. So if you look at that diagram, it is a trapezium. And we have given the name trapezium OABD like that. And this trapezium we are divided into two depending upon the motion. So when you divide, you will get a triangle ABC and rectangle OACD. Now, here it is 0. At this beginning it's 0. And here it is U. U is the velocity and here it is the V. Okay. Now, from here you will get BC. BC means it's a parallel to this y-axis. So BC parallel to the distance between V and U, or velocity between V and U. So that you can get it V minus U, because we don't know the number. There is no number is given. So what we have to do? We have to write it Write it in letters. So what is the letter is given to you? This is V, this is U. So therefore, portion BC actually equal to V minus U. Got it? Clear. Now, so this is D. So we are going to get what we know. The displacement can be found out by taking area under the velocity time graph. Area under the velocity time graph. So that is what we are coming to the next slide. Therefore, displacement or position x is equal to area between the time. The initial time is 0, final time is t is given in the graph. There is no number, so that's why we are using the letters like that. That is area of a triangle plus area of a rectangle OACD. If you go back to this plus this area plus this area. Up to here t. Okay. Now, what is the first step? Get the equation of area of triangle half BH plus length and breadth. Half BH means base into height. If you look at the diagram, this is the height, this is the base. So that is why we are getting the equation like half into V minus U into T plus area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is this. So up to here, this value is total 0 to U. So that is U. And the length is given as T. So that's why we got the equation UT. Now we have to change this V minus U. For changing that V minus U, you are using the first relation. What is the first relation? First relation V is equal to U plus AT. So from this you will get V minus U is equal to AT. So just substitute that value instead of V minus U. So you are getting X is equal to AT into T. So you are getting equation AT square plus UT. Just we organized. Finally, you are getting the equation X is equal to UT plus half AT square. Okay. I am stopping now. Next session, we will complete the derivation. Till here, you understood, I hope so. Okay. Now, from this only, we are going to the next relation. So, first one, velocity time. Second one is position time relation. Okay. Yeah.